Hello, and welcome to another update on Polygon, formerly known as MATIC. The price is still holding support, but remains deep in correction territory. Many are asking if Polygon is dead, or if there's still hope for a recovery. Polygon recently broke slightly below the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at around 18.5 cents, which raises concerns about the strength of the support zone. At this stage, there is no clear evidence of a confirmed low. For Polygon to regain a bullish outlook, it must complete a 5-wave move up in a confirmed Elliott Wave structure. However, this has not materialized yet, and previous bullish setups have failed. If the current correction is a Wave 4, it is already unusually deep and stretched compared to Wave 2. It briefly broke below key Fibonacci levels, and its structure does not inspire confidence. Polygon had multiple chances to establish a bullish trend earlier in the market cycle, but failed to sustain momentum. Elliott Wave analysis suggests that when support levels break, upside follow-through becomes increasingly unreliable. The most recent rally attempt only consisted of 3 waves up, which is not a bullish signal. This suggests that the downward trend could continue. The price is now sitting at the lower boundary of a key support zone. If it breaks below 17.1 cents, the next major support lies between 6.2 cents and 2.3 cents. Some might think a further decline of this magnitude is impossible, but history shows that Polygon already dropped from $3 to around 20 cents, a 94% decline. A further drop remains a possibility. A potential bullish reversal would require a break above the March high at 31 cents. However, for this to happen, Polygon would need to rally over 44% from its current price level. A smaller confirmation level to watch would be a breakout above 27 cents. For now, the market structure remains unclear, and there are no strong bullish signals. The Fibonacci support zone between 18 cents and 20.4 cents is critical, with additional levels to watch at 19 cents and 19.77 cents. Until we see a decisive 5-wave move to the upside and a break above key resistance levels, caution is advised. If you found this update helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more technical analysis updates.